Hello everybody, in this video we're going to talk about how to evaluate polynomial functions. So in a previous video, which I'll link in the description of this one, we talked about how to identify polynomial functions. So in this video we're going to look at two examples and we're just going to jump right into those examples. And the first one we're going to do is the one you saw on the thumbnail when you clicked on this video, and we're going to evaluate and just jump right into it. So basically what we do when we're evaluating, it's going to tell us, hey, evaluate this function when x is equal to a certain number. So in this case, for number one, we're going to evaluate f of x equals negative 2x to the fourth power plus 6x cubed minus 3x plus 11 when x is equal to 4. So essentially we're trying to find the f of 4, right? So we can say the f of 4 is equal to negative 2. And now every time we see an x, we plug in that number 4. So this would be 4 to the fourth plus 6 times 4 cubed minus 3 times 4 plus 11. Now from here you can go step by step, which I'm going to do in this video, or you might be able to combine some steps to make your work a little bit less. So what I'm going to do is write my equal sign here. I'm going to write my negative 2 right there, and I'm going to go ahead and do 4 to the fourth power, right? And that's going to give me 256. So we'll write 256 right there, plus 6, and then 4 cubed is 64. And then 3 times 4 is 12, and then plus 11. So now I'm going to go forth and multiply my two products that I see right here. So negative 2 times 256 would be negative 512, plus 6 times 64 would give us a 384. And now we have minus 12 and plus 11. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and do negative 512 plus 384, and that's going to give me negative 128. And then we have minus 12 plus 11. So I'm going to subtract 12, and we get negative 140, and then plus 11, and we get an answer, a final answer of negative 129. Okay, so we evaluated the function when x was 4, y is negative 129. Okay, so we could say 4 comma negative 129. All right, our second example, we're going to evaluate the function f of x equals 2x to the fourth minus 8x squared plus 5x minus 7 when x is equal to 3. So once again, we're going to say, all right, let's find the f of 3, or our input is 3. We need to find the output. So we're going to say 2, and then 3 to the fourth power minus 8 times 3 squared plus 5 times 3, and then minus 7. And now we can evaluate once again. So 3 to the fourth power is going to be 81, so 2 times 81. Minus 8 times 9 plus 15 minus 7. So we get 81 times 2, and that's going to give us a 162 minus 72 plus 15 minus 7. 162 minus 72 will give us 90 plus 15 minus 7. 90 plus 15 would be 105, and 105 minus 7 will give us 98. Okay, so we could say when x is 3, y is 98. And that's really all there is to it, to evaluating a polynomial function. Take whatever your value is for x, plug it in for all the x variables you see, and solve accordingly.